exercise 5.3. So in the exercise 5.3, the very first question, question number 1, okay, find the sum of this term. So there are fourth question. I will take only one part. The rest you will solve. I am taking the fourth part. So 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, and so on to 11 terms, right? So from here, can you find A? A is equals to 1 by 15. Find D. D is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. And the LCM of 12 and 15 will be 60. So 12 5 is 60, 5 1 is 5, and 15 4 is 64. So D is 1 by 60, and N is equals to 11. It is given. And now we have to apply the formula. Sn is equals to N by 2 into A plus N minus 1 into D, and put all the values. 11 by 2, 2 into A is 1 by 15, plus N minus 1, 11 minus 1. And what about D? D is equals to 1 by 60. And now simplify. 11 by 2, this is 2 by 15, and 11 minus 1, 10, 10 by 60, okay, 10 by 60. So either we can take the LCM or simplify this one. So 11 by 2, so I am taking the LCM, 60 is the LCM, 15 for the 60, 4 2 is the 8, and plus 10. So this is 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. So we can cancel out 9, and finally 99 by 60, and this is the answer of this question, right? So in the same way you will solve second part, first part, third part, okay? Now the second question, question number 2 is find the sum of the given below. I am taking the first part. The sequence is given 10, 7 plus 10 whole 1 by 2 plus 14 and so on plus 84, right? So here A is equals to 7, find the D. D is equals to 21 by 2 minus 7. So 2 is the LCM. So 21 minus 14, that is 7 by 2. This is the D. And the L is given 84. The last term is given. So N we have, we want to find N first. So to apply the formula, L is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is 84, A is 7, N we don't have, and D is 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7, that is 77. N minus 1 into 7 by 2, 7, 11 cancel. 11 to the 22 is equals to N minus 1. So therefore N is equals to 23. We got the value of N, and then apply the formula Sn is equals to N by 2 into A plus L, right? So N is equals to how much? 23. 23 by 2, and A is 7 and L is 84. So this is 23 by 2 and 91. Okay, so no further cancellation. So find out the product of 91 and 23. 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. And 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. Then 3, 7 to 9, 8 to 10, and 1, 1, 2. So 2093 divided by 2, you may write in here, or you may write in mixed fraction. 10 to the 20 and 2 4 the 8 and 2 the 12, 1046 whole 1 by 2, and this should be the answer of this question. So in this way you will complete this remaining part of this question number. Okay, so now I am coming to question number 3. There are so many parts. Okay, so few parts I will solve and few parts you will try. Now the question number 3. The third question is, in an AP, A is given, D is given, AN is given, find N and SN, right? So what is given? The first part is A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50, and SN we have to find N and SN. Then to find, what we have to find N and as well as sum of N terms, right? So apply the formula AN because AN is given. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, and AN is given 50, A is 5, N we have to find, and D, what about the D? D is 3. So this is 45, N minus 1 into 3. So this will be cancelled. So 15 is equals to N minus 1. So N is equals to 16. This is the answer of N. And now Sn. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l because l is given, n is given. So n is equals to 16 by 2 and a is 5 and l is how much? 50. Okay. So this is 16 by 2 means 8 or into 55. So 8 5s are 40 and 4 44. So this is the answer of this question number first part, right? In the second part, A is given 7, A13 is given 35, D is given, and S13 we have to find, right? So A13 is given, right? So I am explaining verbally. A13 is 35. So A plus 12D is equals to 35. The value of A is given. Put the value of A, calculate the value of D. Okay. And after getting the value of D, find S13 by applying the formula 13 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D, right? In the same way, third part you can solve. I am taking the fourth part. Okay, the fourth part. The fourth part is given A3 is equals to 5, 15, not 5. A3 is 15 and S10 is equals to 25, 125. S10 is equals to 125. Find, we have to find E and as well as A10. Okay, have to find this, the value of D and value of A10. Okay, so A3 is given. So A3 means A plus 2D and 15 is equals to A plus 2D. Okay, so find the value of A. So 15 minus 2D is equals to A, put it relation number. And now apply the formula S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Okay, S10 is 125. So this will be the after cancellation 5 and put the value of A from here. So the value of 2 into 15 minus 2. Okay, and this is equals to 10 minus 1, 9D. So finally this is cancel out 25. So 25 is equals to 15 to the 30 minus 4D and plus 9D. So this is equals to how much? Minus 5 is equals to 5D. So we got the value of D as minus 1. Okay, we got the value of D and now find the value of A10. A10 means A plus 9D and put the value of A. So put the value of D here to find the value of A. So from first 15 minus 2 into D is minus 1 is equals to A. So 15 plus 2 is equals to A. So A is equals to 17. We got the value of A. We are having the value of D. Now you may find the value of A10 by applying the formula A plus 9D. Got it? Okay. Fifth, you can solve. Sixth, Now I am taking the seventh part. Okay, the seventh part of this question. The seventh part is given that a8 a is equals to 8, a is equals to 8, and an is equals to 62, and Sn is equals to 210. Then find the value of n and as well as these two we have to find. Okay, so Sn is given, An is given, we have to find n and as well as. So start from here, An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, because n we don't have, d we don't have. Or if we will apply Sn, starting from Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus L, L is given 62, can get n. Okay, so you may start from here. Okay, since Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an term or L term, Sn is given 210, n by 2, a is given 8, and L is given 62. So 210 is equals to n by 2 into 70. So this is cancel out. So n is equals to 210 divided by 35. So 5 7 is 35, and this is 40. 7 3 is 21. 5 5 4 is 20, and 5 2 is 10, and 7 6 is 42. So we got the value of n as 6, right? And now apply the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, and an is given 62, a is given 8, n we have already calculated 6 minus 1, and now find. So this is equals to 54, and this is equals to how much? 6 minus 1, 5d. So d is equals to 54 upon 5. So this is coming how much? 10 5s are 50. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Then 1050 and 5 8s are 40, 10.8. This should be the answer of seventh part. Let me confirm from this 5.3 exercise. 5.3 part number 7, 54 upon 5. Yes, that is the right answer. Either you may leave in fraction or in convert into decimal. Okay. So the rest of the question I think now you can solve without any problem. So now I am coming question number 4 of your exercise. Okay. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. How many terms of this AP must be given to the sum? AP is given. You see, I am just giving the hints. AP is given 9, 9, 17, 25. This AP is given, and sum is given 636. And how many terms means we have to find n, right? So here A is equals to 9. What about D? D is equals to 17 minus 9, 8. And the sum is given, S is given 636. And apply the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D, and put all the values 636, n by 2, and 2 into 9 plus n you have to find, and D is equals to 8. Okay, so 636 n by 2. Now take 2 as common. Take 2 as common or simplify. then 8n minus 8. So this is 636 n by 2, and 18 minus 8, that is 10 plus 8n. Take 2 as common, so 636 n by 2, and 2 will come common, so 5 plus 4n. So this is cancel out, so 636 5n plus 4n square. So now you got the quadratic value. So 4n square plus 5n and minus 636 is equals to 0. And by splitting the middle term, find the value of n. There will be two factor. Okay, one will be positive and one will be negative. So number of terms will never be negative. So I am leaving here for yourself. Okay. Now the question number 5. Question number 5. And the fifth question is, the first term of the AP is 5. The fifth term of the AP, first term of the AP, A is 5. And the last term L is given 45. And their sum is given 400. Then find the number of terms and common difference. Okay, that this type of question we have already solved. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus L. Sum is given 400. N we have to find. A is 5, L is 45, and now I can think you can find the value of n. Okay. And after finding the value of n, apply the formula of L, then you will get the value of D. So this is equals to 400 is equals to n by 2 into 45 plus 5, 50. So this is cancel out 25. So 400 is equals to 25n. So n is equals to 400 upon 25. Okay. So this will be equals to 5 5 the 25, 5 8 the 40, and this is 16. So we got n is equals to 16, and then apply the formula L is equals to A plus n minus 1 into. So L is given 45, A is given 5, n 16 minus 1, and D we have to find. So this is coming subtraction 40, 16 minus 1, 15, D. So D is equals to 40 upon 15. So 5 3 is a and 5 8 is a, so 8 by 3. This is the common difference. Okay. Sixth is again the same types of question. Seventh is also the find the sum of first 22 terms in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Eighth is also the same type of question. Now I am taking the question number 10, that is again very important question. Okay. The question which I am leaving for you, please try yourself, and if you are having any type of problem while solving, then please write in the comment section. Okay. The next class I will try to resolve your problem. Okay. Okay, so I will take question number 9. Otherwise you will tell कि sir is leaving every question. So if the sum of first 7 term is 49, S7 is 49, and that of 17th term means S17 is equals to 189, right? This is the question. Okay. So get the two equations. S7 means 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equals to 49. Okay. So what will be 7 sevens are 49 and 2 sevens are 14. So 2a plus 6d is equals to 7. 2a plus 6d is equals to 7, and put it relation number sorry, 7 to the 14. Here it will be by the cross multiplication. 7 the 14. Okay. So now divided by 2. Divided by 2 to make it simple. So a plus 3d is equals to 7. Put it relation number 1. And now apply the sum of 17 terms. So this will be 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d, and the sum is given 289. So 17 by 2. So this will be cancel out. 17 the 289. So it will be 2a plus 16d is equals to 17 to the 34 by the cross multiplication. So a plus 8d, a plus 8d is equals to 17. This is the second equation. And now apply the elimination method. Okay. So solving first and second. So a plus 8d is equals to 17 and a plus 3d is equals to 7. So subtract, this will be cancelled out. So 5d is equals to 10. So d is equals to 2. And from first or second, find the value of a. So from first, a plus 3 to the 6 is equals to 7. So a is equals to 1. We got the value of a and we got the value of d. And now the question says find the sum of first n term. So apply the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n not given. So answer will be in terms of n, and 2a, that is 2 into 1, n we don't have, and d is equals to 2. So now simplify n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So this minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So n into 2n by 2, this 2 and 2 will cancel. So answer will be n square. Okay. Now I am coming to question number 10. The 10th question, this 10th question and 11th question, both the questions are very, very important for your examination point of view. So I am taking question number 10. Show that A1, A2 and AN form an AP. Show that A1, A2, A3 and AN form an AP. This we have to show first key it is in AP and defined as a plus first part I am taking a n is equals to a n is equals to a n is equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay, and after that also find the sum of 15 terms in each case. So first part I will solve by the two methods. Okay, and whichever is easy for you, apply the method. Okay. Okay, so the first way is solving is a we will replace n with n minus 1 and we will find the difference an minus 1, and if it is independent of n, means independent of n means there will be no n terms, then it means this is in a. Okay, got it? So an is given plus 4n. Now we will find an minus 1. So 3 plus 4 into n minus 1. Replace n with n minus 1. So 3 plus 4n minus 4. So this is 4n minus 4. And now find an minus n minus 1. Okay. an minus 1. So 3 plus 4n and minus 4n minus 4. Open this bracket. Okay, minus 4n and plus 4. So this is cancel out. So finally it is 7, which is independent of n, means there is no n terms. So which is independent of n, independent of n. So hence it is in AP. Okay, hence it is in AP. Okay, and after proving that if it is in AP, then find the sum of first 15 terms. To find A1, put n is equals to 1, A1 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 1, so that is equals to 7. Okay, so S15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 2A plus 15 minus 1 into, so 15 minus 1 into D. Okay, so this is the value of D, means this is the formula. D is equals to, it means this is the formula of D, an minus 1. So this is 15 by 2 and the A is coming 7, and 15 minus 1 14 and D is also 7. So this is 15 by 2 and 7 2s are 14 and 14 7s are 98. So this is 15 by 2 and into 8 4 12 2 carry 1 9 1 10 and 9 1 10 and 1 11. So 14 plus 98. Okay, so 8 4 12 2 carry 1 9 1 10 1 11. So 56 cancel it, and 15 6 90 15 6 and 90 0 carry 9 or 75 and 9 840 is the answer. This is the one way to simplify. And another method is the very simple method. Okay, because in few schools they are applying this process also. Okay, so this process also. So I will explain with this process. Okay, or the an is equals to 3 plus 4n. Put n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So find a1. N is equals to 1. So 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. And a1 is the first term. Now find a2. So 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 11. Right? So D should be 4. Something is wrong. Let me check. Okay, anyhow, I will check. And A3 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 3. So that is 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. It is 15. It is 15. Okay. These three terms are okay. So what we have, something we have did some wrong. An is given a plus 3 plus 4n. An is a minus 1. 4n minus 4. 4. Oh, here I have written wrong. That's why we are getting the wrong value. This process I will again. Sorry for that. Because in both the cases, answer should be same. So this will be equals to 4n minus 4. Okay, 4n minus 4. 3 plus 4n minus 4. So this is 4n minus 1. So D will be equal to an minus 1. So an is 3 plus 4n and minus 4n minus 1. So 3 plus 4n minus 4n and plus 1. So this will be cancelled. So 3 plus 1, 4. So which is independent of n, independent of n. So hence it is in AP. It is in AP, right? And if it is in AP, then find some 15 terms by applying the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 15 terms. So 15 by 2 into a. So a is equals to, what will be the a? A1 will be equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. So this is 2a into 7, or n. What is the n? 15 minus 1, and this is the d. This is 4. Okay. So 15 by 2, and 2 sevens are 14, and 15 minus 1, 4. 14, 14 into 4, 56. Okay. So 15 by 2 into how much? It is 70. So this is cancel out 35. So 15 5s are 75, carry 7, 45, and 7, 52. So 525 should be the answer. Okay. Now in this method, put n is equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. So a1 is equals to 3 into 4 plus 4 into 1, that is 7. A2 is 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 11. A3, 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 15. And now find out the difference. A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. And A3 minus A2, that is 15 minus 11 is equals to 4. So the differences are same. Differences are same. So it is in AP. It is in AP. And after getting the value of AP, okay, so A1 is the first term and the common difference is 4, and then apply the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d, and now you will get the same answer, right? Because n is 15, 15 by 2, and 2a is 7, and 15 minus 1, and d is coming 4, and now simplify, you get the same answer. So there are two methods. Either you can apply this method or this method. Okay. Now another question number 11. Question number 11. 11th question is, if the sum of first n term of Sn is given, Sn is given 4n minus n square, okay, minus n square, okay, n square. What is the first term, that is S1, and what is the sum of first two terms, and what is the second term? Similarly, find the third term, 10th term, and nth term. Okay. So apply here, put n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So n is equals to 1, S1. Okay, S1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square, 4 minus 1, that is 3. And as per the question, S1 is the first term. Okay, S1 is the first term. What is the first term? That is S1. So we got the S1, that is 3. And what is the sum of first two terms? So sum of first two term means S2. S2 is equals to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. This is the sum of first term. Okay. And now what is the second term? So second term is equals to CS2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. If we will do S2 minus S1, we will get second term. So S2 is equals to 4. S1 is coming 3. So this is 1. Second term is 1. Then similarly find the third term. A3 is equals to S3 minus S2 on the basis of this S3. And now calculate the value of S3. So this is 4 into 3 minus 3 square, and S2 we have already calculated, that is 4. So finally it is 12 minus 9 and minus 4. So 12 minus 9, that is 3 minus 4, that is equals to minus 1. This is the value of A3, right? Similarly, find the 10th term. So 10th term will be equal to S10 minus S9. Okay. And now find the value of S10. S10 means 4 into 10 minus 10 square, and S9 means 4 into 9 minus 9 square. So this is 40 minus 100 and minus 36 minus 81, and this is equals to minus 60 and minus, and this will be equal to 11 minus 6 5 and 7 minus 3 4 with minus sign. So minus 60 and plus 45, that is equals to minus 15, right? This is the value of A term. And what is the nth term? So An is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1, right? And Sn is already given, 4n minus n square. And now Sn minus 1 means n replaced with n minus 1. So 4 into n minus 1, and n square means n minus 1 whole square. So now simplify 4n minus n square, and this is 4n and minus 4 ones are 4, minus, open it by applying the identity a square plus b square and minus 2n. So 4n minus n square minus 4n minus 4, open this, minus n square minus 1 plus 2n, sign will change. So this is 4n minus n square and minus 4n 2n, 6n, and minus 4 1 minus 5, this will be minus 5, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 and minus n square. And now open both the brackets. So 4n minus n square minus 6n plus 5 and plus n square. So this will be cancel out. So finally 5, 4n minus 6n. So 5 minus 2n. This is the answer of an term. It means we got the new formula. An term, find the an term Sn minus Sn minus 1, that is equals to an term, right? And common difference is equals to, what is the common difference? An minus 1. This is the formula of common difference, right? Okay, so now I am taking the next question, that is question number 12. Next question number 12. Find the sum of 40 positive integer divisible by 6. 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Right? So the first term is 6, second is 12, then 18, and so on. So A is equals to 6, D is equals to 6, and N is equals to 40, and apply the formula Sn. You will get the answer. Okay. 13 is also same, the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So AP will be 8, 16, 24, 32. A will be 8, D will be 8, and N will be 15, and find the sum. Now the 14, find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So now I am taking question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Odd numbers between 0 and 50. So odd numbers are 0 and 50, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, 49. So, what about A? A is 1. What about D? D is 3 minus 1, 2. And what about L? L is equals to 49. Okay. Now, listen here. L is given 49. By applying the formula, L is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. find n, and after getting the value of n, apply the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l, right? Will you complete? Okay. Now the next question I am taking. Question number 15. This is the word problem. Don't afraid about this question. Very simple question. A contract had to construction a job, specifically penalty for a delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 for the first date. So it is given 200 for the first day if he delay to works to complete the works. Then 215 for the next day and 300 for the third day, etc. Okay, in this way he is giving fine. 5 क्वेश्चन और है, 15-20 मिनट. So a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for the delay of completion beyond the certain day as follows: 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, and 300 for the third day. The penalty for each succeeding day rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to be pay as penalty if he has delayed work for 30 days? Means n is equals to 30, right? So here a is equals to 200. What about D? D is equals to 50. What about N? N is equals to 30. What you have to do? Apply the formula. Sn is equals to N by 2, 2a plus N minus 1 into D. And now I think you will complete this question. Okay. Now I am taking the next question. That is question number 16. Okay. The question number 16. The 16 is a sum of rupees 700 to be used given 7 cash prizes to the students to a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding prize, find the value of each prize. So let value of first prize be x, then value of second prize will be x minus 20, and value of third prize will be x minus 40, and so on, right? So here this sequence will be AP will be x, x minus 20, x minus 40, and so on. So here A is equals to x. What about D? X minus 20 minus x, so it will be cancelled, so minus 20. Okay. And N is given how many cash prizes? 7 cash prizes. N is equals to 7. So apply the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum is given total 700. S is 7 by 2. A means that is 2x n 7 minus 1, and d is minus 20. Okay. So this is cancel. So by cross multiplication it is 200. Then 2x 7 plus 1 minus 1 6 plus minus minus and 120, right? So now open it. No need of any bracket here. So 2x 7 minus 1 6 and 6 into 10, 6 to the 12, 120. So this will be equal to 200 minus plus 120, that is 320. So that is equals to 2x. So x is equals to how much it is? 160. 16 to the 30 to 160. This is the value of x. So the value of cash price, first price value of first price is of rupees 160. Value of second price 20 rupees less, that will be 140. Third price will be 120. Fourth price will be 100, and fifth prize will be 80, sixth prize will be 60, and seventh prize will be 40, right? So this is the process to find the value. If you want to check the answer, add all these numbers, you will get 700. 6, 4, 10. Okay, this is the right. Next question number 17. Okay, so the 17th question. Question number 17th I am taking. In a school, students of planting trees in and around the school to reduce the air pollution, it was decided that number of trees that each section of class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, the section of class 1 will plant one tree, a section of class 2 plant two trees, and so on. And there are three sections in each class, right? So it means the sequence is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to how many classes? 12 class. And every class has three sections. So either multiplied it by 3 in first or in last, as you like. Okay, as you like. So here the value of A is equals to 1. And what about D? D is equals to 1. And there are how many sections? 12 section. N is equals to 12. Okay, there are 12 sections in a school. So find the number of trees by applying the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 12 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 12 minus 1, and d is also 1. So this is 6, and 2 plus 11, and this is equals to 6 into 13, that is 78. And now according to question, every class has three sections. So total number of trees is equals to 3 into 78. So 3 8s are 24, and 21 and 2 23. So total 234 trees will be planted, right? Now this is the question number 18, the very technical question. ध्यान दीजिए. Put your full your attention. A spiral is made up of successive semicircle with the centers alternately A and B, starting with the center A of the radii 0.5 centimeter. So here R1 is equals to, I am taking R1. R1 is equals to 0.5 centimeter. R2 is equals to 1.0 centimeter. And R3 is equals to 1.5 centimeter, and so on. Okay, as shown in the figure, what is the total length such a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles, and take pi is equals to 22 by 7. Semicircles means like this. So what is the perimeter of semicircles? That is equals to pi r. Okay, so now it will be pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 and so on plus pi r13. Okay, because there are 13 semicircle. Pi r13. Pi r13. So pi r1 means pi into 0.5 and plus pi into 1.0 plus pi into 1.5 and so on. So here A is equals to pi into 0.5. What about D? So A2 minus A1, pi into 1.0 minus pi into 0.5. So that is equals to pi into 0.5. Don't put the value of pi here now. And n is equals to total 13. So total length Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equals to 13 by 2, and 2a means the value of a is pi into 0.5, okay, and plus 13 minus 1, and d is equals to pi into 0.5, okay. So this is 13 by 2. So this is 2 5s are 10, 1.0, yani ki that is pi, and 13 minus 1, that is 12, 12 5s are 66.0, that is equals to 6 pi. So now 13 by 2 into 7 pi, okay. And now in the last put the value of pi, 22 by 7 as per the question. So 32 by 7, 7 into 22 by 7. So this 7 and 7 cancel out. This is 11, and 11 3s are 33, and 11 1s are 11, 3 14. So 114 centimeter. This is the total length of this spiral, okay. Now the two questions are left. So let me finish today only. So question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 220 logs in the bottom row, 20 logs in the bottom row, then in the next 19, then 18, and then 17, and so on. Right? As per the question, how many rows are there of 200 logs placed, and how many logs on the top row? So here A is equals to 20, and D is equals to minus 1. Okay. N we don't have, N we have to find, and S is given, total is 200. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 200 is equals to n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 1. Okay. So by the cross multiplication, this is 400 n into 40 and minus n plus 1. Okay. So 400 is equals to 40. Okay. So first n into 41 minus n, and now open it. 400 is equals to 41n minus n square. So this implies that n square minus 41n and plus 400 is equals to 0. And now factorize it. So n square minus 25n and minus 16n and plus 400 is equals to 0. So n is coming common, n minus 25 and 16 is coming common. So n minus 25 and n minus 25 into n minus 16 is equals to 0. So either n minus 25 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 25, okay, or n minus 16 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 16. So it means total number of rows are either 25 or 16. Now we will see, okay, which is the right one. And now how many logs are on the top row, means the nth term. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is coming 20 and n is coming 25. If we are taking n is 25 minus 1 and d is minus 1. So this is 20 and 25 minus 1, 24. So it will be minus 24. So this is minus 4. So this is not be possible. So now the second case, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So A is given 20 and N is be 16 minus 1 and D is minus 1. So this is 20 and 16 minus 1, 15. So minus 15. So minus 5. So in the top row, right, it is minus 5. So this minus 5, no, sorry, it should be plus 5. Here N is coming negative. So it is not possible. So we will take the next step. That is, this is the answer. Okay. And the last question, I will take. Okay, the question number 20. This is the last question of the exercise. And at a potato race, a bucket is placed in the starting point. बेटा मैं अभी क्लास ले रहा हूँ. हाँ, अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं. अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं अभी. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the potato. Okay. So see from the diagram, from the figure, we can try to understand. Suppose here is a bucket, and now these are the position of potatoes as per the figure. Okay. And now the condition says is the distance between the first potato and the bucket is of how many meters? It is of 5 meters. And the difference between the potatoes are given 3 meter. This is also 3 meter apart. This is also 3 meter apart. And as per the condition of the race, A1, the participant will take this first potato and then he will come back to the point of the bucket where the bucket is kept, and he or she has to put the potato in the bucket, and then he or she will go to pick the second potato like that. Okay. Okay. So it means from this is starting point, a competitor or a racer start to run 5 meter and then comes back to 5 meter. So the AP will be 2 into 5. Okay. 2 into 5. And for the next he will go to 5 meter, 3 meter, 8 meter, and then come back. So 2 into 8. Okay. And then next is 5 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 6 meter. So this is 5 plus 3 plus 3, 6, 11. So 2 into 11 like this. So our AP will be 10 and 16 and 22 like this. So here A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 16 minus 10, 6. And how many potatoes are there? He continues, A will be a bucket. What is the total distance? And there are how many potatoes in the given? There are 10 potatoes. So N is equals to 10. And now apply the formula. Sn is equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into P. And Sn is equals to N is 10 by 2. N is 10. 10 by 2 into 2A. That is 10. 2 into 10 plus 10 minus 1 into D. D is 6. So this is equals to 5 and 20 and 10 minus 1, 9. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So 5 into this is equals to 4 and 5 to 7, 74. So 5 4 the 20 and 5 7 the 35 and 37. So total distance covered by them is how many meters? 200 and what is the answer? Let me confirm. So the answer should be 5.3, 370 meter. So this is the right answer. Okay. Apart from this, one question I would like to explain from the optional exercise, that because sometimes the question may be asked, which term of this AP is the first negative term? Which term, which term of AP, and AP is, suppose AP is given 121, 117, 113 is first negative term. First negative term. Which term will be the first negative term of this given AP, right? So for this type of question, put nth term is less than 0 and now simplify. Okay. So nth term means a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0 and the value of a is 121. N minus 1, n we have to find, and d will be 117 minus 121, that is minus 4 is less than 0. So 121 and minus 4n and plus 4 is less than 0. So this is 125 minus 4n is less than 0. So this implies that 125 is less than 4n. So we can write 4n is greater than 125. So it means that n is greater than 125 by 4. So n is greater than by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, and 4 ones are 4, 1 is remainder. So n is greater than 31 whole by 4 means 32nd term will be first negative term. Okay, so this question is already asked in the so many times in the board examination, that's why I have taken. Okay, so this is all about of your AP, and I think the explanation of my or solution of the questions is very clear to you. If you are having any type of doubt, please write in comment section. Your comment is most valuable for me. Again, I am requesting to you, please ask and request to your friends to join my channel so that you will get the notification on time. Okay, thank you very much. In the next class, I will take the geometry, that is triangles. Okay, thank you very much. So I have covered now first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter, and area related to circle, and as well as trigonometry. So these chapters are we have already covered. Anyhow, thank you very much.